CKW take one, action.
Hey y'all, welcome to Clickbait. Got a quick one for you today. This is the CKW80 by CKW and is currently in group buy over at Velocifire. The keyboard's design is inspired by cigarette smokers and has a smoking hot spacebar. Now this board is priced at $349 for the anodized aluminum weight, and it goes up to $439 if you want to go with the PVD brass weight, which will add quite a bit of heft to the keyboard. Now the defining feature of this board is that it runs in 3 different configurations. You can go top mount using these acrylic pieces and the gasket cutouts, or you can go gasket mount using pour-on gaskets. Another option is plateless. Another cool feature that I found in this keyboard that I haven't found in many is the ability to use the USB port on the right side or the left, which is a really nice option to have. The keyboard comes in 5 different colors: silver, black, dark green, burgundy, and purple, which is the color that I have. Now the purple has a lot of gray tones in it, so keep that in mind when you select this color. The packaging is nice and comes with everything you need to build, and it comes with this cool leather or leatherish sleeve. Now along with the keyboard case, you also get the Type-C daughter board connector along with the decoration blocker, hot swap PCB, and an option for an add-on solder PCB. Now the PCB has all the flex cuts, so I went ahead and taped them up early, as should everyone. The FR4 plate will be the standard plate included with the kit, but you do have the ability to purchase PC, palm, and aluminum. Like all keyboards, this comes with a lot of pour-on. You'll get a pour-on light shade foam that goes around the LED strip on the top, which should help with light leakage, but it really doesn't. Pour-on bottom foam, IXPE sheet, a pour-on plate foam. A battery is also included because the PCB does run on Bluetooth if you choose to do so. And if you don't use the battery, it comes with the battery foam to fill in those battery voids. You also get the acrylic jacket kit for the top mount, pour-on gasket kit for the gasket mount. As a gift, they also include this nice PVD keycap with the CKW logo on it. You also get branded tweezers and a branded screwdriver also included. Now this is a 3-piece case similar to the ARC60 I just reviewed. This allows you to run the keyboard in 3 different configurations. Design-wise, I'd say it looks pretty nice. The weight shows from the side and has a good look to it. The version that I have is an early prototype, so the text that's shown on my weight will not be in the group buy version, so it should look much cleaner. Now flipping it upside down, you'll find a cigarette design in the middle of the weight, and this cigarette theme shows up on the top LED strip as well. Now this is a really nice and bright, well diffused RGB strip, which adds a little something something to the overall look. There is quite a bit of light leakage though, even with the pour-on light blocker installed, so hopefully they can address this for the group buy units. Personally, I'm not sure how well this cigarette design will go over. It may not be for everyone, but on a brighter note, they do have a warning inside that says, "Smoking is harmful for health." Yeah. Overall, I think the keyboard looks pretty nice though. Typing angle is 7 degrees paired with a 20mm front height, and I found it pretty comfortable to type on. Fully built, the board comes in at 4.12 pounds. Now keep in mind, this is with the aluminum weight. With the brass PVD weight, it's going to increase that significantly. Build-wise, there are a couple of things to know. First, if you're going with gasket or top mount, you're going to need to remove the mounting points on the PCB, which have mouse bites to make it easy to snap off. Just one thing though, this is obviously not reversible, so once you do this, you can't do plateless. To go with top mount, you'll need to place these acrylic pieces in the top mount case cutouts and then screw the plate in. Also, you don't want to place the pour-on gaskets in the mid frame for top mount. So my recommendation, try top mount first before switching to gasket mount so you don't lose any of the pour-on gaskets if you change it up later. I think going gasket sleeves or gasket socks would have been a good move by CKW so people can go back and forth between configurations easily. Typing feel on this board is really nice. In both top mount and gasket mount, I found the typing experience to be really soft and a pleasure to type on. Now this is largely attributed to the flex cuts on the PCB plus the way that the board is mounted. Now as far as sound, I came away pretty impressed with the CKW80. I did tape up the flex cuts as I mentioned earlier. The alpha sounded nice and bright and all the mods sounded pretty good, and like I said in the beginning of the video, the spacebar is smoking hot. I didn't get a chance to do plateless since I wasn't sent a soldered PCB, but I'll leave you with sound tests for both top mount and gasket mount using plate foam only on a palm plate. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to drop a like, subscribe if you dig the content. I'll catch you in the next one. Enjoy the sound test. Peace.